Hello and welcome back to Learn Full English. Do you want to sound smarter and more professional in your English conversations? In today's video, we'll explore 10 powerful and smart English words that can improve your vocabulary and make you stand out in any conversation. These words are commonly used by native speakers and will help you leave a strong impression. So, grab your notebook and let's get started.
The first word is serendipity. Serendipity means finding something good or valuable by chance. For example, it was pure serendipity that I met my old friend at the airport. Discovering that beautiful park was such a serendipity moment. Now, here's a question for you. When was the last time you experienced serendipity? Think about it and share your answer in the comments. Next is resilient. Resilient describes someone who is able to recover quickly from difficulties or setbacks. For example, she was resilient after losing her job and quickly found another opportunity. Children are often more resilient than adults in difficult situations. Now it's your turn. Are you a resilient person? How do you handle challenges in life? Write your thoughts below. The third word is meticulous. Meticulous means paying very close attention to detail and being extremely careful. For example, the architect was meticulous in designing the new building. He is meticulous about keeping his workspace clean. Here's a practice question. Can you describe a time when you were meticulous about something? Let us know. The fourth word is ambiguous. Ambiguous means having more than one possible meaning, making something unclear or open to interpretation. For example, the instructions were so ambiguous that nobody knew what to do. His answer was ambiguous, and I wasn't sure if he agreed or disagreed. Now, think about this. Have you ever received an ambiguous message? How did you handle it? Share your story. The fifth word is benevolent. Benevolent means being kind, generous, and always wanting to help others. For example, the benevolent millionaire donated a large sum of money to charity. She is known for her benevolent actions in the community. Let's discuss. Have you ever witnessed a benevolent act? Tell us about it. The next word is ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means something that seems to be everywhere. For example, smartphones have become ubiquitous in today's world. Coffee shops are ubiquitous in big cities. Now it's your turn. Can you name something that is ubiquitous in your daily life? Share your thoughts. The seventh word is eloquent. Eloquent describes someone who speaks clearly, beautifully, and persuasively. For example, the speaker's eloquent words inspired everyone in the audience. She is so eloquent when discussing complex topics. Here's a question for you. Do you know someone who is eloquent? What makes them stand out? The eighth word is enigma. Enigma refers to something or someone that is mysterious, puzzling, or difficult to understand. For example, the disappearance of the ship remains an enigma to this day. He's such an enigma, nobody really knows what he's thinking. Think about this. What's an enigma in your life or in history that fascinates you? Let us know. The ninth word is pragmatic. Pragmatic describes someone who focuses on practical solutions instead of theories or ideals. For example, he took a pragmatic approach to solving the issue and fixed it quickly. She is very pragmatic when it comes to managing her finances. Now a question for you. Would you describe yourself as a pragmatic person? Why or why not? Share in the comments. The last word is intricate. Intricate means something that is very detailed or complex. For example, the artist created an intricate design that took weeks to complete. The plot of the movie was intricate and kept everyone guessing until the end. Let's practice. Can you describe something intricate that you've worked on recently?
Great job! You've just learned 10 smart and powerful English words to boost your vocabulary and sound more confident in conversations. Here's what you can do next. 1. Practice using these words in your daily life. 2. Write your own sentences in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to learn full English, and share it with your friends who want to improve their English. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.